What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tudia merge case for the NUU G3. As you guys know, we did get a case with the NUU G3. We got this clear TPU case that we received with the phone, and a lot of people do not like this case because it is slippery and it doesn't offer a ton of protection on this phone, especially since it does have a glass back and it is an all glass and metal design. So we have the Tudia merge to go ahead and save us. As you guys do know, there aren't many cases out there for this phone right now, and I'm pretty sure this is one of the only cases out there, the Tudia merge case. We're going to be seeing if this is worth the $19.90 they are offering this for on Amazon. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first and foremost, as we see on the front of this package, we have Tudia. It says ultra slim, lightweight, raised lip for protection. So that lip protection is going to help our glass screen on the front because we didn't get any protection with our original TPU case that came with the phone. So we do have two parts to this case. We have a TPU part inside of this, and we do have some reinforced corners right here that look pretty protective. And it does say Tudia merge right here, so that's their little branding or whatever. But we have this TPU right here, and we do have a polycarbonate piece for added protection on the back that you can go ahead and click in to the case right here, and it does offer some added protection. Now, I have never used this case before in my life on this phone, so this is honestly my first impressions. I'm checking it out with you guys, and yeah, okay, so first impressions, I do like the buttons on the side, very clicky and tactile. We have the volume up and down button and the power button right below that, but it is super duper grippy. Obviously, we have the cutouts for everything, such as the fingerprint sensor, the dual facing camera, and we have the flash right there, as well as the speakers and the cutout for the Type-C port, so we can go ahead and charge this phone while we have this case on it. We also have some Tudia branding right there on the bottom right, and we do have this nice little arrow design right here, which is pretty cool. But in general, this case is pretty nice. As you guys see, if we put this on the table, we have some pretty nice drop protection on the front of the phone because the case does somewhat hug over the front lip of the phone, and we do get protection for the front screen. So if you guys would have this on here, we obviously don't have any front protection for the screen, and this offers some right here, so it's pretty nice to say the least. But yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and pick up this case, I will leave a link in the description down below. It is $19.90, and I think it is very well worth it. The color that we do have right here, if you love the matte black version that I just reviewed, we also have three other colors being metallic slate, mint, and rose gold. Honestly, the matte black is my favorite because it doesn't match every single color, and we do have a very vibrant color with the NUU G3. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you find a case for your NUU G3 because I know some of you would like to protect your phone and make it last. Yeah, definitely leave a like down below if you did enjoy the video, and subscribe if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.